Use a stool to stand up the bike so it is easier to operate. Cut the tape holding the motor wires. Use a stool to stand up the bike so it is easier to operate. Remove the brake. Loosen motor screws. The large screw on the other side is also loosened. After the screws on both sides are loosened, the tire can be taken off. The motor wires have to come out of the top. Air out the tires. Because the motor cable is relatively short, put the car on the ground again. Remove the brake disc.